amaka gabwe amaka their house kitegeera nti waliwo ennyumba oba a home for artist eriyo zimbibwa era basooka ne bagiwayo miliyoni 3.8 naye biliyoni tezaamaze kati baade basabye endala 3.8 naye akabinja
makaachago galimu akanyonyi
simanyi naye nga it's going to be like your home so nakulira akakiiko kyama agamba kiki kye tumugenda
so that's the home.
Yes.
Hey, it looks good. It looks good.
Hey,
that looks good.
So getagayo miliyoni endala 3.8 biliyoni
amaka galabika bulungi
katoto bembozi eno to connect us to the break.
Artistic home for the common user facility. This is something that the president has been talking about day in, day out, even during the campaigns, recently concluded campaigns. The artistic home for the common user facility for creatives. Creatives is all about like Nollywood you hear of in Nigeria, Hollywood in the USA. We want a Uganda wood now. We are recommending that shillings 38 billion shillings be reinstated to vote 002 State House to ensure completion of the acquisition of the artistic home for common user facility for creatives in the financial year 26-27. It had been put
so
in,
it
but
had been there.
Yes,
and they are doing the work.
Yeah,
38 billion.
Yes.
So it means they had put that money as a one-off, expected to do all the work to completion,
which they didn't.
By the time they chose to give this money, it means there were plans which had been costed, and they arrived at a figure. So once the money is allocated for a one-off project, it must complete the work. They don't again come back and say reinstate this money. There it defeats the purpose at which it was allocated. They should show results.
Yeah, the committee was informed that...
Because, colleagues, when you talk of a project construction of a center of 38 billion and properly done, you expect to have constructed a very massive institute.
Yeah, it was
very
supposed...
massive.
Mr. Chairman, we observed that the works on the acquisition of the artistic home are ongoing and they should have spilled over.
Ask for the facility. Money was provided. 38 billion.
And that's what we are requesting, Mr. Chairman.
In Chiboga there, when you are given 38 billion to construct a facility for whatever, tell us which one, which institute to do there, which institution can match the one you'll have put in the Chiboga.
Well, I have not had an opportunity to talk to the
Barara University.
To the
yes, so Honorable Alex, don't joke with 38 billion.
So what?
Go and demand for this facility.
Okay.
And go and really do serious oversight on this construction.
So I'm going to get more details on that one tomorrow, and I will, because this is really a presidential initiative.
We can't recommend yes, it's a presidential initiative.
And he's saying it should move cross over to this current financial.
Go and demand for the facility. It should not just cross.
Okay.
By the time 38 billion was given, there must have been some logical.
Okay.
Is it a Sheraton you are building? Or you are building in Ambole? 38 billion. Before you start asking for more 38.
Okay.
Bring us pictures of what has been done, and bring us also the plans, the costed plan for that construction.
Okay, sir.